Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. SAR A substitution of alkyl group, the subheading 1A, changing the physiological action by alkylation. Look here, this is NH3. This NH3 is convalescent, that is, it is CNS stimulant, and the methylated NH3, this one, this is non-convalescent. One of the reason may be this is a smart molecule, but this is a bulky molecule. There is no steric hindrance. There is steric hindrance. The approach of this molecule to the target protein or enzyme to create conversion is easy. But the approach of this molecule to the target protein or enzyme to create this CNS stimulation is difficult due to this increased steric hindrance. Once there is increased steric hindrance, there is decreased interaction with target protein and enzyme and decreased activity. Same is the case with NH3. Again, this is CNS stimulant, and this methylated aniline is non-convalescent. It's not CNS stimulant. Catecholamine. This catechol is this catechol is bronchodilator, but this is this methylated catecholamine, this is non-bronchodilator. This is the change in biological activity. Yeah, switching the biological activity. Same is the case. This salicylic acid. This salicylic acid is toxic due to strong interaction with target enzyme receptor. But the methylated salicylic acid, methyl salicylate, this is less toxic. This is not topically effective, but this is topically effective. This is no more topical analgesic, but this is topical analgesic due to this methyl group. Similarly, cobalamin is less effective than this methyl cobalamin. Betamethasone is less effective than methyl betamethasone. Means ki methylation changing the biological actions. Number 2A, changing the toxicity by alkylation. This is alcohol, less toxic, but this is ether, this is more toxic. This one is less lipid soluble, but this is more lipid soluble. This is more water soluble, but this is less water soluble. क्योंकि इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं है. इसमें ज़्यादा हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, इसमें कम हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है. तो दैट्स वाई इसकी टॉक्सिसिटी जो है वो कम है, इसकी टॉक्सिसिटी वो ज़्यादा है. तो सिमिलरली दिस में भी बिकम टॉक्सिक. ये ज़्यादा टॉक्सिक भी हो सकता है इसके एज कम्पेयर टू दिस ईथर. इसकी बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी एंड इसकी बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी इसमें फ़र्क है. Similar is the case where the resorcinol is less toxic and this methylated resorcinol is more toxic. Increasing therapeutic power by alkylation, cocaine and alkylated cocaine. This is inactive, this alkylated cocaine is active. Quinoline, this is inactive antimalarial, but alkylated quinoline, this is anti-malarial. Change the size of methyl group also affecting the biological activity. For example, इसमें ethyl group है, इसमें methyl group है. Due to this ethyl dolcine is more sweet and this due to this methyl dolcine is less sweet. ये जो है this one is diethyl ketone, so 2 ethyl 1 methyl methyl 2 1 ethyl 1 ethyl. इसमें 2 ethyl group है, इसमें 2 methyl group है. Due to these two methyl groups, this is hypnotic. But this is not hypnotic. अब इसकी लिपिड सॉल्युबिलिटी ज़्यादा है, इसकी लिपिड सॉल्युबिलिटी कम है. इसकी अप्रोच टू क्रॉस द बायोलॉजिकल मेम्ब्रेन इज ईजियर, इसके लिए मुश्किल है. ये रीज़न हो सकते हैं. सिमिलरली दिस इज़ दी क्लोरोक्वीन. अब इसमें इस साइज़ को अगर हम कम कर लें, इस मिथाइल अल्काइल ब्रांच की साइज़ को अगर हम कम कर लें, तो due to the reduction in carbon change, the activity of this chloroquine against malaria parasite will decrease. Similarly, changing the position of alkyl change. अब इधर देखें, this is the chloroquine. अब इसमें ये alkyl position जो है position number 4 पे है. This is कोई 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. और इधर इस प्रेमाक्वीन में देखें ये अल्काइल ग्रुप जो है दिस इज चेंज फ्रॉम 4 पोजीशन टू 8 पोजीशन. Now due to this alkyl change at position number 4, this is known as blood schizonticidial and this is known as tissue schizonticidial. Thank you for listening.